Is Thailand on your bucket list for motorcycle adventures? Well, it is mine. And do you know what? Exploring Thailand on two wheels, taking in the culture, the food, and of course, all the twisty bends. Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. And you're going to love, absolutely love, how much planning I've put into this one. Well, first things first, we need to get from the UK to Thailand. Hey Siri, open the boot on the Tesla. Hey Siri, get me the most amazing co-host in the world. Hey Siri, we need 2 flights to Thailand, but do me a favour, make them Chinesium cheap. Well, a bit of an 11 out of 10 thing. So, you know when you say to Siri, book me a flight to Thailand, but make it cheap Chinesium, turns out it's flown us into...
Shanghai? We're in China.
We're in China. So we're going via China to Thailand. So we've got a few hours to spend here, sip some Chinese tea, pretend we've actually visited the country properly that we haven't done. And then we've got another, 4-hour flight?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, 4 hours. Anyway, this is Paul, in case you know who Paul is, also known as Two Wheeled Auto Twit. He, on YouTube, he has a channel, by the way, just in case you don't know. But most importantly, he's going to be the co-host for this entire series. So I'm going to keep giving him the camera and getting him to do absolutely weird things. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Thailand, Chiang Mai. But this isn't the end of our journey because we've got to sort out getting 2 bikes. So let's do it in 11 out of 10 style. Hey Siri, find me 2 of the most amazing, best motorcycles in the world in Chiang Mai.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance.
Well, of course it had to be CT125 Hunter Cubs because they are just legendary. So we've got a bike sorted. So now we need to get our hotel sorted. Hey Siri, get me the finest hotel in Chiang Mai for 2 people, but make sure my room is the nicest. Here we go then. Oh yes. Now, no clutch, CT. Yes. Now, Paul's got the address to the hotel, so I can't go flying off without him. And he's never ridden a CT before, so this will be funny. I was like, 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down. If it's 5, 5, I think it's only a 4, and then it's back into neutral. He'll be fine. First ride on Thailand roads as well, in the city. Here we go. Beautiful and smooth, straight away. Alright, it's always the first thing you do is try to climatise, 1 to the bike and obviously to where you are, because I've never ridden here before, no idea what I'm doing. Thankfully though, going to Paul, you've got your phone in the holder, you can take us to the hotel. I can't wait for this adventure to kick off properly. But we're here, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. How cool is that? Doesn't it already look absolutely awesome as a place to be? Going along this river, people fishing in it, the chaos of the traffic. I was knackered earlier. To summarise, 14-hour flight. I am feeling it, 100% feeling it. But I've just woke up with a big smile on my face again on this. Yeah, baby. Thailand, bucket list. Oh, here we go. You loving it already?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it? Proper cool already. So we've just arrived at the hotel. I am knackered but awake now. How about you?
Knackered and hot.
Knackered and hot.
Yeah, kind of awake.
Yeah.
I could have just jumped in that pool out there.
Yes, there is a pool. I should show you the pool. But more importantly, let me show you Paul's room, because your room's very nice, isn't it, Paul?
It's lovely, yeah.
And then we'll pan across into my room. Well, after that spa bath, relaxing here in Chiang Mai, I mean, I felt really good. Did you like your bath?
What bath?
He didn't have a bath, did he?
No.
Peasant. So at the end of the day, Chiang Mai is the second biggest city in Thailand, basically. And the amount of people here, 1 zillion people, I don't actually know that number. But what we're going to do, we are going, Paul, to go and get a beer, our first beer, our victory beer,
That's a good
and
plan.
check out the culture of here, because we're only going to spend 1 day in Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
Cool. Ready? Beer o'clock. So we've decided, because we're here, we've got to try proper street food. So we're going to order something a bit different, and we're going to try it properly. So this is the crispy pork I just showed you on the menu. Over here, we've got some spicy jalapenos to put on top. Oh yes, look at this. Look at how good this seriously looks. Let's try. Noodles. Want some pork? Give me some pork, baby. No. Here we go. I'm a professional. Here we go. Oh no. Hang on. That's proper yum. Like, yummy in your tummy. Look at this. Oh yes. That is gorgeous. So we don't have, other than jalapenos, I have no idea what's what. So we're going to try this. We'll put a bit of this on. Yeah, I think that's vinegar. I don't know. We're going to put whatever this is on. Don't know what this is. Some of that. Yeah. And we'll try it properly. Mix it in a bit. Get a good portion. It's burning. That's the spice. That's the spice. Oh my god. Now it's Paul's turn to try the spice. Are we ready? Watch the man's face. Here we go. We like to call that the burn of thunder. So, after that street food, that cost us 130... Whoa, I just tripped over. That cost us 135 baht. That works out being what? £1.50? Something like that. So, I treated Paul to that because it's very important. But, how would you rate that?
It was really good until we added the spice. And that was just too hot. I'm still sweating.
I had to leave a bit, to be honest, because I started going, my mouth's on fire. Now I'm trying to talk Paul into buying me a proper man's cocktail. We have no idea what's on this list, so we're going to pick something and give it a go. This should be quite good.